ebusian for aha Ghana Sem TV GH. Mesrel like, comment, subscribe. Then on notification also so that anytime you post a video, it say where Usambeka ebi ama washe. Na ebusian for muni bibi. Pesa mi fa akunya we menda mu nyina ase. Be 2 days ni and I say 3 days ni. And me a video be a introduction ni mo no na me ka say baby I make videos no one enye. And that is the reason why we really need to get a studio and move and do better production. After saying that, I received a donation of 2,900 cedis. That's the highest donation I've ever gotten from a single person. And then also that day, I said, "Nipa mi nubi." I said, "Me thousand." But that was the day of biggest donation. That was the day of donations. It's in person me that money na say money mo support this cause. Any more mo share yen so mo send me a kasa personal money. I say kwa no studios carry cry me personal money cry come. Because obi send this car bia na me I take say studios car. Thank you all so much. I think we've gotten to almost 10,000 Ghana cedis. Almost got to 10,000, and the objective is 25,000 Ghana cedis. See, 15,000 Ghana cedis more to go. We trust God and we trust you. So boy. Now let's go to the story. More I'm share all the episodes of Ghana Sen videos. Makai in a previous video said, guy be of Volta region ha ni ho akire no. Na ni ho akire no. Yen ya boa yen ho. Ya de yen ho abom. Akacha yon say rekasa yi guy no free amane mu. Ena na make say ade bia me pese anka be ya ye nuanu mo MPP mu no. Omuso omuhia eye akamfo so that ochina se wuntumi ana se nye wuntumi mpo obi a free MPP mo ya kan ni okona okoyi bibi na ana so ko ya ade bia enye there esem so ne mu support no se nye krampa obe fie na maka se wade wa ye no enye ba enye enwo se mu yi ni pesa ni pa no ma te mu yi ni pa no ma mu ye mistake enti Volta region na ya hinfofo ababonti abekasa and omo sorry omo se debi ade a eye iyokofo edi ye member of Council of State of Ghana out of Volta region no omumpe ena omunti enti nsemfo a ye remonacha di no onjai. Now what is the story? My mom story na sana maka ho asem da but na long ago ebusanfo akoba say allegedly member of a Council of State for Volta region. Tanko bibi. Abrante and young man and who fe. Was capano. NDC ni. Akoba says sano. Fraud scabby. Fraud scabby. According to account mo. Kile say nkrophobia promise. Dealer say ometon good amamo. Enti gold no sika no a omuti omo no sa omo afa gold number na ye trace sika no e wo guy na a ye Volta ni no Council of State na account mu enti na make say nkofo bi say e wo eka Council of State one aden na ye di eye nsem bi akọ no omo ka say omo hu primary phase mo kai Chief Justice nsem ni na wo so omo hu primary phase. So sorry, allegedly or you're involved into fraud, etiwa. You will always stand against justice. And yes, sir. Media, that's my thought. So let's see what Volta Chiefs are telling Iyoko. Say press statement on the conduct of the Economic and Organized Crime Office, Iyoko, in matters involving the Volta region rep on the Council of State, Dr. Gabriel Tanko Kwamiga Atokle. The Volta Region House of Chiefs has followed with deep concern the recent developments surrounding the actions of the Economic and Organized Crime Office in relation to the Volta region's representative on the Council of State, Dr. Gabriel Tanko Kwamiga Atokpele. The House is deeply concerned with the manner in which Iyoko has handled this matter. The House acknowledges the ruling of the High Court, which determined that Iyoko had acted without lawful mandate and in violation of constitutional principles of fairness in its handling of the case. The decision of the court is clear and unequivocal. The House has also taken note of the allegation by Dr. Kwamiga Atokpele that, notwithstanding the ruling of the court, Iyoko has continued to pursue actions which openly challenge and defy the authority of the court by maintaining its investigation and publicly questioning the judgment. The Volta House of Chiefs wishes to state without equivocation that such conduct is unacceptable in a constitutional democracy governed by the rule of law. If Iyoko was dissatisfied with the ruling of the court, the lawful and proper course available to it was to invoke the appellate process of the courts, resorting instead to actions that appear to disregard the authority of the court amounts to conduct that interferes with the administration of justice and undermines public confidence in the legal system. So for Mutie, you see how all the chiefs in Volta, whether you are an MPP or in this show, how they are defending their own vociferously. To me, Edieno, then I'm here found. Masem Bisanono. Chema wound to me. NDC for dragging up and down. No. Maybe some Ashanti region are him for 4. Then I'm here found. Onye nipa. It goes on and on and on. I'll put it so you can read if you want. Onye nipa. Oni nkrofo on free baby. Ahifofo amu mpotema ofre no. Amu timbe press conference e support no. Mbeja chema mutimi ama and this for dragging us anyhow. Share the Volta Chiefs say me now more boom. Me there. I think I can make catch them more. But I believe say this is the best way to go. Se mankano na mankano ye nswa. Mo amonim say twi kasa no. Enya mi krom kasa. Ente me mistake. Why? Yo, don't go anywhere. Something is up there. Cheers.
Now, Osha Koko Akuafo, Bossa would say Mumiba, minimum 6,000, or buy wasa crack or Mukoko, a bourgeois. Osha and Niema Hudra, various sectors, LGBTQI, and then Obaye, yet the Aquaquashe Senior High School for Bukumu say, teaching manual, say teacher for an inch Monday was kunisi. Ka LGBTQI no na ofosu kwache na pampa mu hyan na no totoro na o ka se enya ne hia Ghana fo na wo ye Ghana ni na wo to na so fo se ehun hia tie na tie ni ye oba abamu ano wanya 14 years 15 years 16 years 13 years owo senior high school no NDC aban under John Dramani Mahama e dia hye teaching manual mu e dia akose titiafo nkyere nkola na de se ye wowa se wo ye oba ana wo ye bema no eye based on your feelings. Ghana ha ye tie ene efibre a Nyankopon bo wiase ye tena Ghana ha yi ye wo oba ye hu se ayi meat pie bo nanim pe ye so ye oba ye hu se kwakudo nsuro bo nanim a ye so e bema. John Mahama se emiye nka ne sa biem na mom ye nka se eye nkola ye nkyere nkola ne se eye mo feelings. Enti ya wa so o feel say o your ba o feel say o ye bema so o feel say o ye odwan a o ye odwan o felisa o ye odaba o ye odabo saa na John Mahama ese ye nkyere nkola no entu trans na afo say saa ne mani hu hia wa ebekọ aba be hia we friend KKBK kakra be count KKBK kakra be count enti eno ne ade a ye de kyerɛ o ma no enti wo be hu dakro woti ho na aba no report card ne ba baby o hono ma ye tro sex na abo se wa tro e be ma wa tro male or your ba wa tro female dakro do o ti fia ofo na abandon report card aba obehu baby a sex ni wono na obana tro odwan goat obehu baby a sex ni wono na obana tro se or ba wa tro se or ye bema because sa na o feeli eno ni ade a aban se ye nkyere Ghana for sa na o feeli and I don't think say Ghana for are you ready for this enti yakasa aka ho asem ene aban na ye na dwen se omua onti obia enti that we are encouraging say as many as of wa sorry the conscience of this nation na LGBTQ aisemi form anuntumbi na nanom ahemfo mon sorry na nanom ahemfo mon sorry o mey yamodia Ghana mey yamodia da bia me cancer politicians ebedin semhunu a Ghana asase ye da hoyi na nanom dia enkraman ye da hoyi enkran na nanom ahemfo modia asanteman asanteman ahemfo modia okuapeman ahemfo ne yamodia enti mon sorry ahemfo no sorry na mon ka no kure mon si penche Ghana mampani se yentimi ntra Ghana ha ema omagi gay sam entum yentimi ntra ha man nkoso na yema edaache emesei esi yetimi ka no kure yese kire yese na ye ka no kure kire His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ene na ban NDC aban na ye ka kire mo se LGBTQI+ no a priority ehia yen abria na owo opposition na okasa da Ghana for no sabe na Ghana ni bia ni hono ma ni Ghana ni fu ya Ghana for ye ho nto yen ne ye ho gusu kire yen na Ghana for ye bre enso oye LGBTQI no priority because onim se eye tiwade e boman e de Ghana na nya de Ghana for epe afede na oba ban mu a odi akose bukum e de akose teaching manual mu se yenko kire ye man wo schools yenko kire omo oba ni oba na be man na eye very unfortunate and me wonwa se besine Cali Bishop Conference Christian Council charismatic bishop hwan omuntimi issue statements no muntimi call Mampani Mahama out me won say osofo Steve Wingham entimi enfa statement and ma bontin and condemn Yera Mampani Mahama stands on the LGBTQI+ said this statement by my graphic published here na obon abaso hono you should talk men of God we are calling on you talk yen come on kasa mon kind of cruncher Mampani speak to power speak truth to power mon kind of cruncher Mampani mo be agye appointment you see am your appointees of the president entina mo ntimi kasa na asoro no hwemo asoro no ehwemo ehiafo a wasoro mu no etu correction etu antutududuo ene ye de hwemo enti mo mu bebre ho no ma asofo no mo hotomo mo live at the expense of the ordinary Ghanaian no enene ye kire ne ba say oye bema on funny feelings enkase wo your ba on funny feelings enkase wo your dwan enye consent to you so Mampani Mahama say gay no obeji atuma mo ma ne ba Sharifa ne Farida no oba war Farida ne hu se afedie hu se gay na ya Sam George I ne bo sampan ana wodidi animu ene oba ye kra communication ministry ade ne kokoto ye no Sam George am mess up big time ene ko social media so na question enkrofo complaining about telecell phone network in particular kwa na question enkrofo complaining auto telecell network data egu phone so ntimi nyusu telecell network no data ne gu phone so pa so ntimi nyusu emfaso bia ni so entimi untimi ugina enkran me telecell office wase ya me obi me take komle me ha ya telecell office wo seka ya me o ha network no untimi hwa video ento aso 1 minute entwa ne ho Sam George to very very useless ohun we nka we esra usumire so na enti sei eja ya no so amudi ensu network yi so a ni bo sei the nending enti Ghana phone ntimi nto aisa by digester oto ya na ahye network ni nye okọ ba bia microphone ntimi nkasa Sam George ntimi nya hwe ɛna wɔte hɔ ɛna wɔbɛ campaign at the back of LGBTQI+ ɛna ɔde akɔgye communication ministry no ɛna ɔte hɔ hisi aso ɔkɔ school ɔsɔre anopa na wafa motoke de nanim na ɔde kɔ ɔde Ghana your time your school your working hours no ɛna ɔde kɔ school Ghana your working hours no ɛna ɔde kɔ school ana mampani Mahama ɛna wɔhwɛ no efia no pakosi be 2 na owo school mu a wo ko school mumisa na meboa monka mumisa no se meboa efia no pa ekosi be no mienu as minister of state obetena communication minister ne wa ye adwuma no na odi ko school na mampani ntimi nka hwe because mampani nu amu no gay sem no se ne kasa nyina akere se na ni gye ho ofo so dia akasa brei NDC wo numbers e wo parliament a on betim dia pass gay bill no ene year all they would do is that on be de ba na ya kan dia ko sene some media fi bill no mo ye no said dia bills aben no mo ye no on betim ya pass bill no under certificate of urgency because they have the numbers. Why is the NDC not passing the anti-gay bill? NDC na gay for party bi ana Sisia NDC no abeye gay for party ana. NDC abeye gay for party a ababa Ghana for who? We want to know. Sene adenti na abira nkrofo kasa NDC be ko tetem no. Esi edin ketia no fifi kote be kasa na gay semi de makama no atum. NDC for kwaji gay for si council de be campaign. They should let Ghanaians know. NDC for kwaji gay for si Canada year campaign. Omon kanche Ghana for ni ehu. Yetimi ntrase enso sa na ema we so ye catch NDC for say gay bill ne de omo pew omo mpew won be pass mo ba ye brika kra bi eniema NDC for fum no emu awuram na eya state capture eya that's bre ajeju amna any god na saribidi akon e ka me ho ena de ye be pet time na mine ni nsem ni nyina no ya wuram Ibrahim Mahama mine ni nsem no ni nyina ye be wuram na ya bie mu no wahu can you imagine say me say people aben mu na chema untumi say obeto anka na ekoto da my go first mine sanka ndisi be dani kuro sei e de abutuo so na ba yi amanfo age dinti amanfo akom manu atum and media for bi kra na champion say yemfa yefa Ghana nyina kra emma Ibrahim Mahama enye ne Ibrahim Mahama no mo Wanko fin konkodi begin kwa kuda uru we ejudwam on movement in the morning that's when what na say na ewura simu